Our question is, write a program to count the number of vowels, digits, white space, and special characters in the given string. Okay, means we have to accept one string, and in that string we will count the number of vowels, that how many vowels are there, how many digits are there, and how many white space and how many special symbols are there in the string. Okay, so see the example. If this is my $10,000, so how we will write vowel? Output should be like that. Two vowels are here, six consonants are here, five digits, four white spaces, and one special symbol, special character is here. Okay, so now what I have to do? Understand the concept. First of all, I have to accept the string. Okay, then I will check if the string, in the given string, vowels, I will check for the vowel. Then I will check for the consonant. If the letter is not the vowel, then it will be consonant. But before this, it must be a letter. Okay, then the, yeah, we will check for the digit also, then we can check for the white space. If it is not any letter, not the digit, not the alphabet, then it will be your special symbol. Okay, means हम पहले string को इनपुट करेंगे, देन वी विल फेच द लेटर फ्रॉम द स्ट्रिंग, कैरेक्टर फेच करेंगे, फिर उस कैरेक्टर को हम चेक करवाएंगे कि वो कैरेक्टर वोवेल है कि कॉन्सोनेंट है या डिजिट्स है या क्या है. Okay, understood. So what we can do here, और फिर मुझे जितने भी वॉवेल आए हैं, जितनी भी बार वो कंडीशन ट्रू होगी उतनी भी बार एक वेरिएबल ले लेंगे, काउंट वेरिएबल, और उसकी वैल्यू को हम इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे. ओके, सी लाइक दैट. हियर आई हैव एक्सेप्टेड द स्ट्रिंग. यहाँ मैंने इसको अपर केस में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. इन अर्लियर प्रोग्राम वी वर डूइंग इन द लोअर केस. यू कैन डू एनीथिंग, it's up to you. Now here I'm taking count. Okay, here I'm writing it v count, means vowel count. उससे मुझे समझ जाएगा कि ये vowel count है. Okay, I have to count the consonant also, so c count. Okay, then I have to use which count? Vowel, consonant, digit, to d count. You can take variable according to your convenience. D count, V count, C count, D count, and what I have to white space to W count. Okay, then spatial symbol to S count. Okay, these count I have taken. Now I am fetching the letter. See that character I have fetched str.char@I. Then if ch equal a, ch equal e, ch equal I, o, u, vowel. But you just tell me, अगर मैंने यहाँ पर ये vowel count कर लिया, right? Okay, so here I'm, if the letter is a, e, I, o, u, then it's going to be increase the v count. Means v count का value अभी यहाँ पे क्या है? Here is the value of v count is 0. Then if the condition will be true, then it will increase by 1. Plus plus किया है, it means एक vowel हो गया. Then again it will increase 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, अभी मुझे ऐसे बताएं, if we are writing else we will count what? A consonant count. If the letter is not the consonant, not the vowel, then it will be consonant. So we are going to increase the C count, right? C count मैंने बढ़ा दिया. Here I have increased the value of the C count by 1. Okay, but you just tell me if I am inputting the digit. Okay, 1 आया 1. So if ch equal 1 is not true, condition false, तो क्या इंक्रीज हो जाएगा? मेरा कॉन्सोनेंट वाला वेरिएबल इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, राइट? इट मीन्स 1 को भी वो एज अ कॉन्सोनेंट कंसिडर करेगा, किसी भी डिजिट को भी, किसी भी स्पेस को भी. देन माय प्रोग्राम विल बी रॉन्ग, लॉजिकल एरर हो जाएगी ना. व्हाई? because the digit is the digit, not the consonant or not the vowel. So first of all, we have to clear in our program that the vowel and consonant both are the letter. ओके तो इसके लिए पहले ही मुझे यहाँ पे चेक करना पड़ेगा इफ कैरेक्टर डॉट इज लेटर CH. ओके अगर जो भी फैच कर रहे हैं अगर वो लेटर है, okay, if it is an alphabet, then only we will going to check that it is the vowel or consonant. Understood? Means one, if we have to make to check the that given letter, given alphabet is letter or not. Okay, if it is the letter, then only we are going to check for the vowel or consonant, right? Then this if is close. Here this if close. Okay, now we are going to check else if ch, else if अभी letter or vowel or consonant check हो गया. Okay, now I am going to check for the digit. So how I will write? Character dot is digit. Keep remember in the is digit everything is small, rest of the D is digit. If it is digit, then I will increase the D count. D count plus plus. Very easy. Then again, else if I will check for the white space. I can check by the equal 32, CH equal 32, or I can use the predefined method is white space. Is white space. It's up to me. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay. So S count, no, W count plus plus, right? If the given letter is not the letter and not the digit and not the white space, then obviously this letter will be your special symbol. So we will do S count plus plus, right? Now we are going to close the loop. Loop will be closed. Here loop close, right? Loop is closed. Then after closing the loop, we have to display. Simple. Number of vowel we count. Okay. Then number of consonant. And here you can display the vowel. Consonant means number of the letters also. कैसे? जितने लेटर है जितने कॉन्सोनेंट है दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे उतने ही लेटर है. Or you can use another count also. Count variable means number of consonant. C count, right? Then number of digit, number of digits, D count, right? Then number of white space, I space, whatever you want to write. Number of white space, it will be your W count, right? Then next white space, then special symbol. Special symbol, it will be your S count. And here you can display number of letters. उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. They are not asking in the question, but still if you want to do number of alphabet. Number of alphabets means here we can count V count plus C count in the bracket. Otherwise it will concatenate. है ना? Addition करके नहीं देगा. See that. All we have displayed, method close, then class close. Again see the program what we have done. First of all, we inputted the string. In the method call, I'm inputting. If I'm using the scanner class, then I have to use next line method of the scanner, because one sentence we are going to input. Okay, then only we can count the spaces. Then length calculation, here I'm converting the string into the uppercase because I don't want to check with the small letters. You can convert in the capital or in the small letter, whatever, because it is not mentioned in the program. That's why I'm converting into upper letters. Then here, as many as counter variable I'm declaring. According to the question I'm declaring. Okay, so because I have to count the vowel, so one counter variable for the vowel, second counter variable for the consonant, third counter variable for the digits, then the white space, then the special symbol. मीन्स जितने भी चीजें, जितने भी सेपरेट सेपरेट ऑब्जेक्ट मुझे काउंट करने हैं, मैं उतने ही काउंटर वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर दूंगी और इनिशियलाइज करूंगी 0 से. ओके, देन हियर एज यूजुअल वी आर फेचिंग द लेटर. लेटर फैच कर लिया. फिर यहाँ पे इफ कैरेक्टर इज लेटर, अगर वो लेटर है तो ही हम वोवेल और कॉन्सोनेंट चेक करेंगे, अदरवाइज वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू चेक फॉर द वोवेल और कॉन्सोनेंट इफ द गिवन लेटर और द गिवन कैरेक्टर इज द डिजिट और द स्पेस. सो वी विल नॉट check for if or else. ठीक है, this vowel and the consonant. If the given character is the letter, then only we will going to check vowel or consonant. If it is a vowel, this condition is going to true, means it is the vowel, तो vowel का count increase हो जाएगा, otherwise consonant का count increase हो जाएगा. And if it is not the letter, तो फिर हम check करा लेंगे. If given character is the digit, see the syntax, character, C capital, character is the wrapper class. So this wrapper class then is digit is the method and it is decount. Okay, variable की value increase करा दी. Then character is white space, W count, or otherwise it is your special symbol. अगर कोई कैरेक्टर भी नहीं, लेटर नहीं होगा और डिजिट नहीं होगा, व्हाइट स्पेस नहीं होगा, तो वो स्पेशल सिंबल ही होगा. ओके, एंड देन एट द लास्ट वी आर डिस्प्लेइंग ऑल. ये थर्ड वन मैंने एक्स्ट्रा डिस्प्ले कर दिया है. अल्फाबेट्स, अल्फाबेट्स है या नहीं, लेटर है या नहीं, वो कैसे किया, वोवेल और कॉन्सोनेंट दोनों को ऐड कर दिया, बट इन द ब्रैकेट. ओके, अदरवाइज गोइंग टू बी कॉन्केटिनेट. लेट कंपाइल इट. Yes, no syntax error. Let's check the program. Nothing is here. In the double quotes I'm giving, this is my $10,000. Two vowels. This is my 2 ही है. हाँ ठीक है. 6 consonant, correct. 8 alphabets, right? 5 digits, 4 white space and 1 symbol. Okay, okay. One short trick also I want to tell you to initialize this type of variables and this counter variable. What you can do, instead of it, this is the means वो जब प्रोग्रामिंग करते रहते हैं तो आ जाता है, v count equals to c count. देखते हैं ये चलता है या नहीं. आई थिंक इट शुड एग्जीक्यूट. W count एंड S count. इसे मैं कमेंट डालती हूँ. ओके, int should be there. Int. No, it will not work like that. Let it be. I'll tell you another trick for that afterwards. Let me check it first. Okay, so this is your program. We count as many as count. You have to find out in the program this many count variable you will declare. And here I'm using the character wrapper class. These are the syntax of the character wrapper class. Character dot then the method of the wrapper class of this character wrapper class. Okay, is it clear?